At Full Sail Partners, we're pleased to announce the launch of our BlackBox platform, a system that allows for input and output of data with no development knowledge required. BlackBox connectors are point-and-click integration points between your systems that require no technical expertise, only the URL of your application and the account information you use to sign on. Today, we'll be setting up a BlackBox connector for Deltek Vision to Constant Contact. For information on how this integration works inside Vision, please view our YouTube channel for videos specific to that subject. This video will deal with the setup. To start, we'll go to the BlackBox connector website and log in with our credentials. We'll click into My Connectors to view the available connectors that we've subscribed to under this account. We're working with Constant Contact today. We've got a couple connector test instances that we've set up, but we're going to go ahead and create our live system integration point today. When the new instance creates, you can see that BlackBox is telling us we need 2 endpoints that must be configured in order for this connector to operate. We'll start with Constant Contact. Give it a name. Give the instance a name. And indicate whether or not we want to see results. We're also going to specify that we want to use OAuth 2. We click Authenticate and Get Token. And we're prompted for our Constant Contact credentials. We're asked if we want to allow the Full Sail Partners Vision to Constant Contact connector to access and update Constant Contact information in your account. We'll click Allow. Now that we've completed our setup and authenticated, we can click Finish on the Constant Contact portion. And we're ready to move on to the second endpoint, Deltek Vision. We'll create a new web service instance by clicking on the Create New Web Service Instance button. This is our production Vision system that we're going live with today, so we'll go ahead and type in the name. In this case, Deltek Vision Production. And for our web service path, we're going to use the same URL that we use when we log into Vision. The only exception will be we'll specify the API endpoint for Vision, which is visionws.asmx. For the instance name, again, we'll go ahead and specify what name we want to refer to this as. And we'll put a check mark in result log so that we can log results while we're initially setting this up and see how things are performing. With the database description from our login screen, we'll go ahead and take the value from the drop-down menu and just copy and paste it right into that field. We'll want to specify a username and password. In this case, one that has access to update and read from the leads and contacts info center, as well as marketing campaigns. If we had integrated security, we'd go ahead and check that off here. We'll just click Save and then go ahead and click Finished. We now have both endpoints, so what we have to do is connect them. We'll connect Deltek Vision, and now connect Constant Contact. We now have 2 completely set up and connected endpoints as part of our connector. We'll click Done, and you can see that BlackBox indicates we are 100% complete. At this point, we can go to Deltek Vision and start using the integration immediately, pushing leads and contacts out to Constant Contact from Deltek Vision marketing campaigns, and returning statistics as email campaigns are generated. For more information on how to utilize the Constant Contact connector inside Deltek Vision, please visit our YouTube channel. For details on how Full Sail Partners BlackBox connectors can create point-and-click solutions for your interconnectivity between your critical business applications, please reach out to us at www.fullsailpartners.com.